right here. So your article is looking very nice right here. You're going to change everything from here and send everybody back to your own affiliate link. So you're going to change all of this thing right here, goes and send people back to your affiliate links. As I've shown you guys how to go and do this very easily in this video right here. What is up guys, it's your boy Rex here and welcome back to the channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to be doing a continuation video from the last video where I show you guys a step-by-step method you can go and use and earn a lot of money online. So if you haven't watched the first video, be sure to click the first link in the description and you're going to go and watch the first part before you're going to go and watch the second part, because it's a continuation video from the last video. So I'm going to go and leave the link to this particular video in the description. And if you want to watch the first part, go and click and watch the first part before you're going to go and continue with this video right here. And that was the step-by-step method I'll show you guys how to go and earn a lot of money. You can go and earn your first $500 plus very fast with the method I'll show you guys inside that training. So I'll show you guys how to create a simple landing page and that is converting very well, and now I'm going to show you guys how to get a lot of targeted traffic back to that affiliate offer. So we choose a product that's called Ketosis now. So this is a product we choose to promote on that video. I am going to follow step by step and actually implement what I show you guys from that first video with the second video I'm going to be showing guys right here. You're going to use this, you can go and earn a lot of money on complete autopilot, because this 100% works. Many people are using this method right now and many people are earning a lot of money from this method, and I've used this method myself to get a lot of traffic and make a lot of sales right here. So be sure to pay very close attention to this second video, watch step by step to the end. If you haven't watched the first video, click the first in the description and go and watch the first video before you can go and continue with this second video right here. So that's it guys. So if you enjoy the channel as well, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified when I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So I post new videos to make money on Clickbank, on Digital24 and on Warrior Plus, and some general make money online methods that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So that's it guys. So let's get into the second part of this method right here. So let's get into the video guys. So let me show you guys how you can go and run this on Bing and earn a lot of money. So you go back to campaigns, go back to Bing campaigns. You can say this is the older version of Bing, but this is the new version of Bing right here. So I'm going to use this new version of Bing and I'm going to show you guys how to go and create a profitable campaign right here and earn a lot of money using these simple high converting landing pages right here. So once you go to Bing, what you're going to go and do next from here is you're going to go right here to go to campaigns. Once you go to the campaigns, you can go and create a new campaign from here. So then click on create campaign. And as you guys can go and create a simple campaign from here. So I'm going to choose example, visit to my website. So click on visit to my website. And next we're going to create from here. I'm going to show you guys how to go and get targeted keywords very easily. So we have example keto campaign, Ketosis now as my campaign name. So let me just leave it like this for this example. I can see right here you can go and input the budget. So you can go and have example $10 a day or $25 per day. So I'm just going to leave this at $25 per day. What you're going to do from here next, you're going to choose your locations from here. You're going to click on this other option right here. Let me choose specific locations. So you don't want to go and run this from anywhere around the world. So let me choose specific locations. Go and input, for example, United States, because this is one of the countries that affiliate offers convert very well. So United States. I'm just going to input, for example, United States, Canada. So those are the top countries I can go and use and promote on affiliate offers right here. So let me click on search. I'm just going to select United States. I'm just going to input, for example, Canada. And click on search. I'm just going to input only top tier countries because that's where you're going to get the highest amount of sales. So you can go and input, for example, United Kingdom. You can go and input, for example, Australia, and you can go and get a lot of sales from those different countries right here. What you're going to do next from here, you're going to look for here. From here, you're going to remove this option right. You can say here people in your targeted location, and you can see people searching or viewing pages about your targeted locations. So let's make sure you want to go and uncheck this, because this can go and waste you a lot of money. So you don't want to go and select this option right here. So this is an English product. What you're going to do from here next, you're going to select the language. So let me uncheck this French right here. We're going to check English right here since it's an English product. So let's click and save and go to the next step. And we're going to create our ad here very easily. So URL of our website is going to be the URL of our landing page that we just created on site.pro. So let me just copy the example URL from site.pro. I'm just going to paste this right here. So let me just copy this. I'm just going to go back to my campaign. I'm just going to paste my URL right here for this example right here. So let me just click on this ad group name. Name for example, Keto ad group. I'm just going to go and leave it like this. What I want to do next from here is I want to go and input keywords to run your affiliate offer on Bing right here. And I'm going to show you guys where you can go and get these keywords right here very easily for 100% free. What I can do is I can go to the affiliate marketplace. So let's go to affiliate marketplace. I can see this product right here. It's called custom keto diet. So let me show you guys the product. Custom keto, for example, keto. Let me just sort by gravity right here. Once I see this product right here, custom keto diet, that's converting very well. So right, custom keto diet. And as you guys can see this product here, custom keto diet, is also converting very well. If you go to affiliate tools area from here, you're going to find a lot of keywords that are converting very well. They can go and use and promote this other keto product as well. So you go to the affiliate tools area and scroll down. You can see right here keywords. So you click on keywords. You can go and download this entire keywords from here and use it and promote your own affiliate offer on Bing as well. So what I like to do is I just like to go and copy the URL. So I'm just copy the URL of this. So let me right click and click on copy link address. I can just go to Zoho and I'm just going to go and view this online. So you can go, for example, to Zoho online Excel viewer and it's going to enable you to go and see these keywords online very easily and it's free. So it's going to bring you to this page right here. You can go and input, for example, input from URL. And it's going to go and show me this sheet online. So you can just go and download this and you can go and upload it from your computer. Or you can just go and view this online with this free tool right here. So click on view file. It's going to show me a lot of keywords I can go and use in my campaign and get a lot of targeted traffic and earn a lot of money promoting this keto product that we're going to be promoting right here. So this is going to load and it's going to go and show me a lot of targeted keywords that I can go and use inside my campaign on Bing right here. So I'm just going to copy a bunch of these keywords and we're just going to use this inside our campaign. So some of the keywords that I can go and use is, for example, keto weight loss. For example, keto weight loss. For example, lose weight keto, lose weight fast, for example. So these are the type of keywords that you can go and use inside your campaign that you can go and get a lot of targeted traffic. So inside these are the keywords that I've already loaded right here. You can see right here, it's a lot of keywords that you can go and use inside your campaign. What I can do is I can just go and copy some of this and I can go and use inside your campaign as well. So let me just copy some from here. So for example, just copy for example, Keto USA. So let me just copy some of this for this example. I'm just going to leave this one for this example. Let me copy all of this. Just going to go and paste this on Bing, on my Bing campaign right here. So you go back to Bing. I'm just going to paste this right here. So you can go and find a lot of keywords. There are many ways that you can go and find a lot of keywords to go and promote your affiliate offer right here very easily. So once you're done from here, you're just going to click on save and go to the next step. It's going to take you to the next step where you can go and create your ad very easily. So you can go and click on create an ad. It's going to bring you to a page that can go and create a simple ad from here. What I can do from here next, I can also go and model ads that are already working right here. I can go and use it and create your own similar ad right here. So let me just show you guys an example. We're just going to copy one from here as an example. We're going to use it to promote our own affiliate offer. You can see right here, there are a lot of ads right here and many of them are converting very well. So let me just copy, for example, Shark Tank weight loss products. So let me just copy Shark Tank weight loss products. I'm just going to use this one as an example in my ad and I'm just going to go and promote my affiliate offer as well. So let me just go back to my ad. I'm just going to paste this, for example, as my headline. So I'm going to input as my headline right here. Just copy this second part right here. I'm just going to cut this. I'm just going to input it on the next part. And that's it, guys. You can go and write a very simple ad like this and go and write a simple description of your ad. You can also go and model from the ads that are already running on Bing and on Yahoo right here. So I'm going to do next from here. I'm going to copy the URL. So I'm just copy the URL of our website for this example. Just copy the entire URL. I'm just going to go back and I'm just going to go and input it right here inside our campaign. So let me input inside our campaign right here as our final URL. So that's it, guys. So it's very easy from here. What I'm going to do next, you can go and add a little more other titles from here. But I'm just going to leave it like this for this example. I can see right here, this is how ad is going to look like on Bing and on Yahoo. So a description, you can go and model some of the description from here. I'm just going to copy some of this for this example. So I'm just copy some of this. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to paste this one for this example, for this tutorial. And that's it, guys. So let me just cut some of this. I'm just going to use this one as well on the second page. So let me just cut this and just go and paste this right here. So that's it, guys. So I'm just going to leave it like this. I can go and take a lot more time and you're going to go and write a simple description from here. So you're going to leave it like this and click on save. And that's it, guys. Our ad is already saved and it's very easy to go and create an ad on Bing like this and get a lot of targeted traffic and earn a lot of money from this method I'm showing you guys right here. So go and take action on what I've shown you guys in this video right here and implement this method. You can go and earn a lot of money on complete autopilot, as I've shown you guys right here. Many people are already using this method, and many people are already earning a lot of money from this method I've shown you guys in this video right here. So that's guys, once you're done, you're just going to click on save, and that's guys going to take you to the next step. And that's guys, you're just going to create multiple ads. But for this example, I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm just going to go and save. So let me just go back to the bottom and click on save and go to the next step. And that's guys, my ad is going to be saved and it's going to be reviewed, and I'm going to use this and earn a lot of money very fast from here. So you can do this, you can go on maximize conversions. You can go and set a maximum bid from here. So I'm just going to leave it at maximize conversions for this example right here. And that's guys, I'm just going to go and click on save. And that's guys, can go and bid at $1 right here. So that's you can see right here, the more you bid, the more traffic you can go and get right here. What you can do is you can go and leave this, for example, at 50 cents or $1 right here. You can get a lot of money from here. You can see right here your estimated monthly clicks is at 3,000. You can see right here monthly impressions and estimated ad spend right here. So you're going to do from here, I'm just going to leave it for this example and click on save. And that's guys, my campaign is going to be reviewed, and I can go and get a lot of target traffic and earn a lot of money from this method I'm showing you guys right here. So the method is working. I can go and use this method and earn a lot of money because these landing pages convert very well, and that's why many people are using this right here. So if you go right now to Yahoo or on Bing and search, you're going to go and find this exact type of landing page that many people are using to promote a lot of keto related products, because these methods 100% work. That's why you can go and use this and earn your first sale as soon as today with this method I'm showing you guys in this video, because this type of story type of landing pages convert very well. So that's the simple method I show you guys that can go and use and earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. I'm going to go and take action what I've shown you guys in this video. You're going to guarantee to make your first sale as well using this website here, site.pro, by just importing this landing page that are already converting very well, use it and start earning a lot of money online. So this particular website here, site.pro, you can go and create a one website and can go and run it for 7 days for 100% free before you can go and upgrade to the paid plan. So I'm going to get started with the free plan. You can go and upgrade to the paid plan. I can go and run it for 100% free for 7 days right here. If you go, for example, to the pricing, you can go and see how much money you can go and pay to maintain your website on this website here, and it's also very cheap. I can go and use this website right here and earn a lot of money very fast. So let's go, for example, to the prices. So we'll click on the prices. You can see right here, to go and maintain your website on this website, you can go and maintain at only $2 per month or $5 per month. So it's very easy for you to go and create your landing pages on this website very easily. I can go and run this for free trial for 7 days before you can go upgrade to any of their paid plans on this website right here. So this is a very cheap option that you can use and promote your affiliate offers and import a lot of high converting landing pages and earn a lot of money on complete autopilot with this method I'll show you guys right here. So that's guys, take action on this method right here and share this video so that others can go and benefit from this method as well. Use it and start earning some extra money online. So that's it, take action, and I will see you guys in the next video.